2009, there was a Gram Sabha meeting held at the village Panchayat of Aldona. In this meeting, a resolution was taken to have a playground for the villages of Karona, Path and Lakde, and of course for the whole of Aldona, in survey numbers 319 and 320, all subdivisions inclusive. And these two plots are here in Karona at Gawar Karona. After the Gram Sabha meeting, the Panchayat did the necessary work and forwarded this to the Town and Country Planning Department in Penj for further process of this acquiring of the football ground. After due diligence, the Town and Country Planning included this resolution in the Regional Plan 2021, and this was done in the year 2012. However, the regional plan was kept in abeyance until the year 2018 when it came into force. So for the 6 years, nothing happened. But in 2018, when it came into force, the villagers contacted the Honorable MLA Glenn Souza Tiklo and started a dialogue on how to go about acquiring this land and the program for developing it. One of our main requirements was that there should be no concrete structures. Reasonable mind is, what was the personal interest and haste in approving the file for construction license? Why did the Deputy Sarpanch not wait for the clarification from the TCP department before issuing the license subject to Sanad? Why did the Deputy Sarpanch and some of the Panch members override a Gram Sabha resolution dated 14th of April 2009? Why did they disregard the TCP directive not to issue any license until the matter was fully resolved by them? We, the petitioners, approached our local MLA, Glenn Souza Tiklo, for his intervention in the matter. He immediately realized that something was not right with what the Panchayat had approved. This is the reason why certain Panch members had suddenly changed their colors like chameleons. He arranged for the meetings with the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, who is also the Town and Country Planning Minister, and the Honorable Revenue Minister, Madam Jennifer Monserrat. The Honorable Chief Minister gave us a patient hearing at very short notice, in spite of his very busy schedule, and assured us that he would do his utmost in resolving this matter in favor of the villagers of Karona Aldona. We thank the Honorable Chief Minister for his timely help. Thank you, sir. The Honorable day and night without looking for personal glory or publicity and turning down the offers which were thrown at him. He managed to revoke the technical clearance and the recommendations of the conversion Sanad. We, the people of Aldona constituency, are very lucky and fortunate to have such an honest and hard-working MLA to represent us in these difficult times. He had to part with many of his unfaithful Panch members of the Aldona Panchayat. Nothing stopped him from doing the right thing and giving back to the villagers their playground. We, the villagers of Aldona, stand firmly behind our honest and truthful MLA and will always support him with all our might forever. And last but not the least, there are 4 Panch members: Gajanan Haldankar of Sodo, Thomas Tavares of Paimawado, Francis D'Souza of Kojume, and David D'Souza of Kalvi. These 4 ward members, though they are not representing Karona, supported us for the playground. They understand what a playground is for the children. The copy of the technical clearance which was issued by the Town and Country Planning Department. I will also show you the proposed plan for this private sports complex. Remember this also. All the voters of Ward 2 are waiting for the day of the next Panchayat election. They will come on that day too. You will get your answer on that day. To those of you who have messed up with the villages of Karona, Path and Lankade, I say this to you. You have stepped on the tail of a sleeping tiger, Karona, Path and Lankade. We have woken up to this betrayal and treachery. We the villagers are united 100% in our thirst for justice. We will record this treachery and betrayal in stone so that future generations will remember those who betrayed our beloved CPL and a playground for our children and for the generations of children to come. 2020, this year, we decided to carry out a signature campaign. We wrote out a petition and started gathering signatures. 20th and 21st, just 2 days, and we had over 400 signatures. But unfortunately, on the 22nd of March, the lockdown came in force due to COVID-19, and we had to stop taking signatures. However, we passed on the word around to our villagers through word of mouth, by phone, and apprised them of the situation. Today, every man, woman and child in this village stands behind us solidly, 100% for the ground.
I'm Mervin Fernandez from Karona, and I live very close to where the ground is supposed to be. I have seen people, young boys playing there. Even during my childhood days, this area was used for cultivation. It was entirely a field, and all the fields were being cultivated. Now this action, what the Panchayat has done is demolition of two very important priorities in the world, not just India or Goa or Aldona or Karona, but it is two priorities the world cherishes very much. One is environment, climate change. Concretization should not be done at the cost of open spaces, agricultural land and playgrounds. Concretization should not be done at the cost of this, and this is definitely going against that. It's going against the principles of environment. Secondly, it is an attack on democracy itself, because our elected representatives are not representing the people. The people's wishes today are to have this as a playground for their children. So that should be respected and that should be taken up and granted. But today, once you are elected in the chair, you forget your people, and it's people that don't matter and pockets that matter. So this is how our democracy is going towards. In spite of a lot of opposition, he has stood up for this cause, and I really wish him well, because he has really done a great job. I also appreciate Chagas, Captain Chagas has threadbare. He has given all the facts, the correct facts, threadbare of what has happened right from the beginning. An investigation is going on, and I wish them very well. And I am sure the truth will come out. The truth always prevails, and the truth will come out. And this is what we want. Thank you.
ह्या मनशाक आमी इलेक्ट करून हाडलेले आमच्या गांवची उदरगत करपाक, न्हू आमच्या भुरग्यांक ह्या फोंडान घालपाक. हो ग्रावंड जे आमचे पुर्वज, आमचे पाय, आमचे उरलेले गांवचे भाव खेळोन गेल्यात, आमी त्या ग्रावंडार खेळोन ल्हान व्हड जाल्या. आतां आमच्या भुरग्यांक ही सुवात जाय खेळपाक. आमची भुरगीं खंय वेतेली, आमची भुरगीं खंयचोर हेवतेली. ही आमची प्रॉपर्टी तुमी प्रायवेट कॉम्प्लेक्स करूंक कशी दिवची, आनी सरकारा लागीं मागता हाजेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवचें. आनी ही आमची प्रॉपर्टी, ही आमची गांवची सुवात जी गांवकारांनी राखून दवरल्या, ही आमची अस्मिताय. आमच्या भुरग्यांक, आमच्या फ्युचराक, आमच्या भुरग्यांचो बरो ग्रोथ जावपाक ही आमकां मेवची. आनी हे जे कितें वायट हांच्यांनी केलां आपल्या पर्सनल इंट्रस्टाक लागून, हांचेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवचें, आनी तांकां कितें पळय तें सरकारान तांचो न्याय करचो, आनी आमचोय न्याय करचो. कित्याक आमच्या भुरग्यांचो हो फ्युचर. आमकां जोरी तर ग्रावंड ना, आमचे भुरगे खंय खेळटले.